Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating flow. Clear the floor and establish 5 to 2 meter aisles so customers move easily. Once done, sort garments into categories and size runs, then pick 3 to 5 focal pieces per zone to anchor attention. Make sure mannequins and lighting are placed before racks so shadows and sightlines are right. Test 3000-4000 K bulbs for accurate colors. This gets you into action fast and prevents rework when arranging fixtures and stock. Now build the display using a pyramid layout. Place taller items at the back and shorter ones up front to create depth and sightlines. You should assemble outfits in groups of 3 to 4 items, mix textures, add one accent color, and include coordinating accessories so customers see a complete look. Once arranged, make price tags and size labels clearly visible and attach shelf talkers for key features or current dollar offers. This detailed setup turns visual interest into purchase intent and reduces customer confusion. Finish with a walkthrough from 3 vantage points: entrance, center, and end cap, and make sure every piece is visible and sized logically. Once done, tweak lighting and remove any clutter. Replace one damaged or mismatched item right away to maintain trust. If engagement is low, swap the focal piece and monitor 7-day sales to test impact. Make sure to log changes so you can revert or iterate. This quick feedback loop is the most reliable way to refine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.